Today, I'm going to teach you how to clean the exterior of your camera lens. You can see here that the rubber focusing and zoom rings are already white from oxidation. I don't know the real cause of this. Some say it is due to sweat or salt, or natural drying of rubber. First, I detach the lens from the camera. I am going to show you what I use to clean my lenses. Some people suggest the use of WD-40 for cleaning the rubber focusing ring. I personally think WD-40 is too slippery. What I normally use is Armor All Car Protectant. But in this video, we are going to use VS1. It is almost the same as Armor All, but in aerosol spray. First, I'm going to clean the exterior of the lens with the paintbrush. I only use this brush on my camera gear. Next, I spray VS1 on a small cup. I use a soft, short, stubby paint brush and dip it in VS1 and dab it on a piece of cloth so it doesn't drip. Damp brush is what I use to clean the rubber rings. Stroke should be parallel to the grooves of the rubber ring. Wipe the whole lens with lint-free flannel cloth and make sure there are no more oily residue. VS1 leaves the surface shiny clean but not too slippery. Next is the exterior glass of the lens. First step is blow out dust by using a rocket blower. Then, I use the brush of the LensPen to remove dust that the blower failed to remove. Third step is cleaning the lens with the felt tip with carbon powder. I use a circular motion from the center going outside. Final step is using a natural chamois cloth with the lens cleaning solution. This cleans the lens thoroughly. I also clean the lens cap interior. I repeat the same process on the other end of the lens. I lightly brush the metal parts with contacts with LensPen. Last part is wiping the lens hood and brushing the felt interior with brush. Now, you can see the difference. Thanks for watching.